there is an entire mountain range buried under Antarctica. Not a few hills, a mountain chain larger than the Alps, and almost none of it can be seen. The Gamburtsev Subglacial Mountains sit deep beneath the East Antarctic Ice Sheet, hidden under kilometers of ice. From the surface, you see a vast white plain. But picture an ice-penetrating radar image cutting through the surface. Below the ice, sharp peaks, deep valleys, and an alpine-style landscape. It is as if someone buried a mountain range under a continent-sized sheet of ice. And this is where the mystery gets better. Scientists did not map these mountains by walking through them. They flew aircraft across East Antarctica using ice-penetrating radar, gravity instruments, and magnetic sensors. The radar sent signals through the ice and reflected them from the rock below. Line by line, flight by flight, a hidden world appeared. Researchers discovered that the Gamburtsev Mountains are buried beneath as much as several kilometers of ice and surrounded by hidden lakes. But their shape created a puzzle. These mountains have steep valleys and sharp, youthful-looking alpine terrain. Yet, they sit in the ancient interior of East Antarctica, far from the kind of active plate boundary where people usually expect dramatic mountain building. So why are mountains like these sitting there at all? Research suggests their story stretches back roughly a billion years. Ancient continental collisions created a deep crustal root beneath the region. Much later, rifting and uplift helped raise the land again. Rivers and glaciers carved deep valleys into the rising mountains. Then, Antarctica changed. Around 34 million years ago, a massive ice sheet began spreading across East Antarctica. The mountains were swallowed, and instead of destroying them, the ice helped preserve much of the landscape beneath it. Picture the scene in cross-section. A flat, white Antarctic surface above, several kilometers of ice below, then an enormous hidden mountain range, frozen in darkness. There are valleys no tourist has photographed from the ground, peaks no climber can simply stand on, and lakes sealed beneath the ice nearby. Scientists have built three-dimensional maps of this landscape using aircraft and geophysical instruments. Yet, the mountains themselves remain difficult to reach directly. That creates one of the strangest geographic facts on Earth. You can stand in the middle of what looks like an endless flat ice sheet, while an alpine-scale mountain world exists far beneath your feet. The Antarctica visible in photographs is only the surface. Underneath it is another landscape. Mountain ranges, valleys, basins, lakes, all hidden by ice. So, if Antarctica suddenly became transparent, the continent beneath it would look nothing like the empty white world we imagine, and one enormous mountain range would finally appear. Mission complete.